What's going on, fam squad? This has been requested by y'all for a long time. It's what you think it is. The 6-foot rocket challenge. Oh, and we got a special guest. We're back in town, baby! Okay guys, so we gotta make this quick because we gotta prime this rocket and stuff because we're gonna strap a camera to it so we can get those epic shots. But yeah, dude, we got so many angles. So as you can see, the assembly right here, we're gonna quickly put an engine in the back. Now these are D12 engines. Delta. We haven't used many of these before because that's 12 newtons of thrust.
We're talking straight up Delta Force.
Right here. And that's where we're gonna launch this thing.
Difficulties.
Yeah, it seems like I lied to you guys. We're actually launching it right here.
You might want to put some rubber on that, boy. Yeah, slide it in there.
Going down fast. All right, back it up.
Show me.
This is a little sad as comparison. I mean, the thing's like at least 6'4", 6'5".
This guy's taller than Hulk Hogan, dude.
It really is. This is a mean machine. Like, it's a big old rocket. I'm excited. Let's do this. All right, second cam is on, baby.
Let's go to go, don't go. Slow-mo on, GoPro rolling, micro cam on, pan cam go. We have charge confirmed.
All right, now make sure to follow it up, okay?
Roger that.
Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Holy crap.
Wow! Chief Dennis over here happens to have a little bit of an injury.
It is called a boo-boo, scientific Latin name. Fishing in the sky. Hole in the middle, hole in the middle.
Disengage. Here. All right, guys, it just turned night and the temperature is dropping hard, but the bottom line is we did it.
And that's how it goes, baby.
Oh yeah, but you know, thank you so much for watching.
And we will see you
in the next one!
Ready?
Okay guys, we do have some, so it wasn't a completely, it was like 99% good video, except we found my glasses and I think someone stepped on them because now they're all broken and stuff, so.
Someone stepped on them.
Run!
What'd you?
Me and the boys had.
Dude, in my butt.